So we're looking at temperature scale, different ways, or not ways exactly, different form in which we can, or different ways in which we can communicate about temperature. So we have a basic understanding of temperature. It tells about how hot or cold something is. But the number we assign, it depends on the scale, right? You guys know about Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. It depends on the scale. So just like how we can measure length in meter and foot, temperature can also be measured with different scales. So each is created for its own specific purpose and convention. Actually, we'll be talking about Fahrenheit in detail, sorry, Kelvin in detail, the absolute zero and all of that. So why we need it, why Kelvin scale is needed, and all of that will be discussed in detail. Celsius, Fahrenheit, all of those you guys know it by now. So yeah, so over time, scientists and engineers have developed different temperature scale, and today we mostly use Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. So Celsius is used in daily lives, daily life and science and everything. So on and off, we use it here. Fahrenheit, it's used mainly in US for weather and everyday measurement over there. And Kelvin, it's used in physics and advanced science actually. So since it starts from something called as absolute zero. What is this absolute zero? That we'll be discussing. So this is for science purpose. This is for day-to-day purpose here in general, right? In India, that's what I mean. Here, that's what I meant. And Fahrenheit is in US, like how Celsius is to us. It's Fahrenheit, it's for them. And there is a clear way to convert from one form to another. You need to know this formula as well. All of this again will be dealt in detail. How to build a thermometer, different types of thermometer, all of those will be understanding in the post understanding few things about temperature and materials. So once we do that, then we'll be able to dive into thermometer and different scales and everything. For now, you just need to know the existence that we have different scales. And how do we convert from one form to another? You get it in numerical. So the introduction. Okay, guys. So pause. What is absolute zero? That we'll be discussing. Triple point of water. That too we'll be discussing. So for now, pause and have a look. And you need to copy. Yeah, you can copy all of this actually. More than that, this is what you need to copy.